Entrepreneurship is a team sport. When you are developing athletes, you are developing a proactive, ambitious, goal-oriented mindset. You learn about the relationships, about the importance of practice and results. You learn that you need to be both strong and smart. And you learn about your weaknesses. And of course, you also continuously improve them if you want to be successful. And you'll develop your planning and you become a team player. And you don't fear the unknowns, because pushing the boundaries is actually the key for sports and for the entrepreneurs. And since I was an athlete, I am an athlete, the HR criteria, was also inspired by that. And if you check in Slovenia, Slovenia has the highest number of Olympic medals won per capita. And if you are searching for smart, ambitious, goal-oriented, innovative partners, you will find them in Slovenia.